Today, our typical customers are OEM, large OEMs.
They want to be able to sell their engine with the lowest possible fuel consumption.
Most of the increase in efficiency come from the engine. So the fan blades, the compressor blade and the turbine blade. Our goal in life is to automate all the robotic finishing of these parts. We have a large amount of customers who are outside of Canada, I would say even outside of North America, and that comes with excitement, that comes with a lot of fun of traveling, going around the world, but it comes with big challenge.
Everybody uses its own platform, CAD platform, because we need to exchange files, we need to design tooling, we need to integrate our customers' files in our designs. We're working now to move from a project-based approach that we've had since the beginning of AV&R to more of a product-based approach.
There are some people in Germany that are excellent black belt in forging, but there's some other people, I would say in Taiwan, who might master a little bit less their forging art. And in that case, what they are expecting from the same robot, from the same machine AV&R will provide them is different.
When you have such a complex machine with so much different technology, so you need to have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, robotic engineers. It's very important to work in teams, and SOLIDWORKS helps that a lot by providing easy integration.
Our robotic cells are composed of different instrumentation. We have a robot, we have some measurement device.
We're trying to implement a system in PDM to have some like basic systems or basic machines or products and add options to them and keep the same files or the same assemblies evolving.
A robotic cell that automate our customer process mean that our own product need to be automated by themselves.
It's like a PDM plus, so not only for managing files but for managing the systems and their different components. We want to really centralize everything and also connect it with our ERP to have a global view of the machine within one software, which is SOLIDWORKS PDM Pro.
All of that is impacting my business on a day-to-day because better they can do, faster they can do. They're proving out that they can use that power to create very different product and very innovative product, and this is what's the most important for us.